Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be making DIY American Girl shoes for your American girls. So let's get started. So you will need, guys, is hot glue sticks, foam sheets, any color you want, and they're very pretty. Platforms for your shoes, and you can buy any size. You need sequins, and you can use glitter, small pieces, of course, shoelaces or old shoelaces because we want to recycle. And also you could use ribbon as a little alternate for the shoelace. So here I'm taking the shoe off for my doll so we can literally measure the shoe and get her shape of her shoe so we can make the shoe. So here I'm tracing, and now let's cut it out, guys. So let's cut, and we can make her another shoe too. Cutting. And let's keep on going. So let's take a piece of foam, put the shoe trace out, and we're going to trace it on the foam. So let's keep tracing and make small areas and not make it too rough. So now we're going to start cutting out our little foam area. Right here, we're just showing the shoe. And now let's start really cutting out our foam. So let's keep on cutting. Now let's get our platforms for the shoes, which you will find in like Walmart or Dollar Tree. And now we're going to put the little shoe for our doll with the foam and put it on top of the platform of the shoe. And now I cut it out, guys, ahead of time. And what you want to do is not do it on the very soft side, because if you do that down, if you're playing with your doll like at the beach or something, guys, it will absorb the water and it'll make it look dirty. And this is how you're supposed to put your shoes, guys. And that's how you're supposed to put your shoes. And just don't use the flat, use like the rough side of it. So it might be slidey, so you can put hot glue under it. And now let's start measuring little areas where we're going to cut so we can put the little over area of your flip-flop. So let's do this. So let's start doing this. So just measuring a few inches or so, or centimeters, however you want to count it. And we can do our next shoe too. Now, with an X-Acto knife, remember adult supervision. And you might want to do this on a board and cut the little areas. Now to size out the little flip over her, just size it over her feet and cut a piece off so we can put it on her flip-flop. And make sure you have an exact match. Right now you could just poke this small little paper through right here. And now let's put another one, let's put it over here too. So now we're going to put a small piece of hot glue so it could stay and not be wobbly and jobbly and all that stuff, guys. So it'll stay. Make sure you don't burn yourself, guys. And let's do the other side. So let's get that. And let's glue it on. So let's start gluing it on. Good, guys. And now we're just going to put the shoelace around it. So to recycle, this is the easiest way. Or you can put ribbon, but which is going to be like, you want fancy, then that's just buying money. But if you guys have like extra shoelaces, you can do that. And that's how it's look. And it's very pretty. So here, guys, we're going to take our very pretty fabric, and what we're going to do is just measure out small pieces of centimeter and just put the hot glue there, because we're going to make a cross flip-flop. So what you have to do is just get all of your little ribbon, and you have to add it to each side. So when we're going to put the little cross through, we're going to take our left one, basically, and then we're going to go under. And then we're going to attach it to the other side. So it's because it will make a cross. And that's what it looks like, guys. And that's what we're going to do for the right one too. So that the only thing you just do is add a small piece of hot glue where you marked. Then take your ribbon, and go under, and then grab your ribbon and just press it to the hot glue. Here we have another piece of very, very pretty fabric, and it's very pretty, and it has like red, and what you're going to do is just hot glue it on top. Here we have the little platform, which is very pretty, and we're going to add it, and right here you don't need any more hot glue. What you're going to do is just put a glue around the edges of your flip-flop and put glitter on it. No hot glue, guys, no hot glue needed, so we're all covered, and this is what it looks like. We're going to start with a new shoe. So you'll need some paper and this fabric you see with yellow foam. And that sparkly purple is not fabric, this is actually paper. And basically what we're going to do is make a very nice sandal, no flip-flop, but we're going to make a sandal. And what we're really doing is we're going to make a small little hoop in the front. We're going to make a little area where you know when you guys have a sandal, you can actually adjust them with a small belt. That's what we're doing but with no belt to not make it so complicated for you guys. So you see here, we're just going to add a ribbon through and we're going to but hot glue a ribbon to the front. So right now we're just going to glue the platform to the other part of our sandal. And you see here, that's what you're just doing. You're just hot gluing that. And you're going to put a ribbon through it, just like what you're seeing right now. And it's going to make the prettiest sandal ever. So you're just going to go through the side, which is on the right now. And then you're going for the middle right now. And then you're going to go through the left. So it makes a nice, circle for your doll so she can fit her feet through. And here we're adding more glue on the sides. No hot glue needed, guys. But what we're going to do is just add glitter to the side, just like our other, but flip-flop. And on the bottom, it doesn't matter. And this is what the first pair looks like. They are awesomely pretty. I love the fabrics. They're so cute. I just love it. Here is our doll with the shoes on. She looks beautiful, looks like super beautiful, guys, and I just love this. It has glitter over it, and it has different fabrics, and it can have different textures. Guys, you can make millions of pairs of shoes, you know. You can make different colors, and these are what the sandals look like, guys. They're so cute, guys, and I really like them because they're like glitter around it. And then what we have here is more ribbon that is like pink. And they look so cute. And it always has a really good design with her outfit. And always matches. And this is so pretty. Even though it has a tiny bit of glitter over her legs. It looks so cute. I hope you enjoyed this video and all the designs for every shoe. Give me a thumbs up, watch this video over and over again, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching. Bye!